Hi guys, today I'm gonna share with you guys my very tasty almond milk recipe. So here I soaked half cup of almonds yesterday night. So here I'm gonna rub the skin and all the skin will come off and I'm gonna put it in a bowl. So here you can see I can remove the almonds very easily. Wait. How do you do that? Oh, now I see. So here my mom can do it very easily, but I cannot do it. So here I have to wash it 2-3 times. So now I'm going to put all the almonds in a jar. Yikes, that's okay. Now I'm going to pour some water in a jar with the almonds. Next step, now I have to blend it. Don't forget, you have to close the lid tightly. So here's my almond milk and it's not ready yet. Now I'm going to sieve it because I don't want any grains. Now I'm using big strainer. Okay, you can see it's perfectly blended. So here you see it's very thick. I'm adding 1 more cup of water. Mix it well. So my very healthy protein-rich almond milk is ready. I'm not gonna drink it in one day. I'm gonna put it in a jar and store it in the fridge. I'm putting in an airtight container. And I'm gonna put the lid on the jar. My recipe starts with almond milk. For sweetener, I'm gonna add some dates. Now I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons dark chocolate. Now I'm gonna add half teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm gonna blend it. Now my very tasty dates almond milk is ready. I'm gonna taste for you. This chocolate flavor is so good, I love it. And thank you for watching my recipe and don't forget to like, share and click the subscribe button.